Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you a quick video on how to submit your OWOW, this week's OWOW, through Blackboard. So on the left-hand panel, you now have a Submit OWOW Here option. So when you click on that, there's some directions for submitting the OWOW. Make sure you write dark enough, make sure you look at the pictures you've taken so that I can see them pretty clearly. If you can see them, then I should be able to see them on your pictures. Go to OWOW number 2, it's the only one that's open. And then scroll down. So at this point, unless you have a scanner at home, you've taken pictures with your phone using your scanner app. How I do it is I'll email them to myself as a PDF. I'll open up that email and I'll save it to my computer. So when I browse my computer, I should be able to find OWOW number 2 on my computer. So I clicked on OWOW number 2, and then I'm going to hit Submit. You should then have a screen that shows you've submitted your OWOW number 2. Here, hopefully yours is filled in and done. And then you can resubmit, like I told you in class. If you see that you've made a mistake on it, or you're like, oh, I can't see that very dark, I can't see my writing, you can go back and resubmit it. Okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to Zoom me, or you can ask me on Monday. Okay? But this needs to be done before Monday at 2:30. All right, we'll see you Monday. Have a good weekend.